Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include heated seats, remote start, third row seating, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, remote trunk release, running boards, headlights auto off. Come take a test drive today.